Welcome. In this lesson, we will create an empty class to add gameplay tags to the project from within C++. Select None and press Next. Name it and create the class. Delete everything except the includes in the header and CPP files. We will create our own struct under the private section. Write static femin gameplay tags. Then, under the public section, write initialize native tags and get functions. Gameplay tags are static because we will use this class as a singleton, ensuring it is consistent everywhere and shared. Generate the definition for the initialize native tags function. Define our static gameplay tags variable. Return to the header file to create the tags we will add. I will add 3 tags for death, each representing a different status. Write f gameplay tag status _ death. Include the gameplay tag container to resolve errors. Next, add status _ death _ dying followed by dead. These 3 are variables for our tags and we will access them from C++. Create functions, addAll tags, and add tag. The add tag function has an fGameplay tag out parameter, tag name, and tag comment parameters. Generate the definitions for both functions. In add tag, set out tag equals uGameplay tags manager ;get. Add native gameplay tag. Provide tag name and tag comment as parameters. In add all tags, add our tags. Write add tag status _ death with tag name as status.death. The dot is crucial for hierarchy. Duplicate the last line, add dying, and change the tag name. Duplicate the last line again and change dying to dead and modify tag name accordingly. In the initialize native tags function, write gameplay tags, add all tags to add all our tags. If Unreal is open, close it and press the build button. Build is successful. In the next lesson, we will integrate these created tags into the project. Goodbye.